Hello friends, in this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of installing multiple WordPress sites using the WordPress Clustered Kit on AccuWeb.Cloud. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to AccuWeb.Cloud page. If you are a new user, click on the Sign Up button to create an account. For those who are already registered, simply click on Login. Use the credentials, username and password that you provided during the sign-up process to log in. Once you've successfully logged in, you will be directed to the AccuCloud dashboard. To initiate the installation of the WordPress cluster, locate and click on the Marketplace option within the dashboard. A pop-up window will appear. Within this window, select the Content Management category. Within the Content Management, identify and choose the WordPress Cluster Kit option. Click on Install. Another pop-up will appear, allowing you to customize your installation. Here, according to the load of your WordPress website, you can choose any scaling like low, medium, or high. For example, here I am selecting low load. Additionally, make sure to check the boxes for Install GlusterFS cluster and Install WordPress Multisite Network. Choose a name for your environment. Here, I am using Test Project. This name will serve as the URL for your WordPress site. Set a display name, here I am using Test Project. With your configuration set, click on the Install button to commence the installation process. Upon completion of the installation, you will receive a pop-up that leads to your WordPress environment along with the necessary credentials, which are the URL of your admin panel, login or username, and password. To access the dashboard of your WordPress site, click on the provided URL. Enter your username. And password. Click on Login. Now you are on the dashboard of your WordPress site. To add new site to your WordPress, navigate to My Sites. Select Network Admin. Choose Sites. Click on Add New. Enter the URL for your additional site, for example, I am giving Test1. Provide a site title, for example, I am giving Test1. And add an admin email. Finally, click on Add Site. To confirm that your additional site has been successfully added, go to My Sites, where you will be able to see the names of all your sites listed. Here I am able to see all my WordPress sites. You can go to any of your WordPress site from here, by selecting it. For example, I am selecting my new site Test1. You can view the dashboard of this site. Add new post to your site. Manage comments. Or we can simply visit the site. This way you have installed multiple WordPress sites on AccuWeb.Cloud. Thank you for watching this video.